It's often thought of simply as a lion with big teeth, but it's a very different animal. She's twice as heavy as a modern lion, built more like a bear with stocky muscular shoulders, shortened hind legs and a stunted tail, all designed to deliver power to her
century. The dodo, a pigeon that's safe in its island sanctuary of Mauritius, also evolved into a flightless giant, was easy prey for hungry sailors. They exterminated it by the middle of the 17th century, less than 200 years after men had first set.
The giant, short-faced bear. The biggest bear that ever lived.
From 3 of the pits excavated, 14 skeletons of the American Mastodon have been found.
This is the story of the Great Freeze and the rise of a dynasty that would bring life to the brink. Bigger than lions today, cave lions